First, you want to peel the shallot and garlic. And then wash the ingredients thoroughly. And this is the ingredients for the first sauce. First, you want to smash the garlic. And then add the small chili. And then after that you want to add the long chili. Add salt as your preference. In a pan, heat some oil. Add the hot oil into the sauce. Last but not least, add some lime juice. And then mix well. And there you have it. And this is the ingredients for the second sauce. First, you want to smash the garlic. And then add salt as your preference. Next, you want to add the shallot. And then add green onion and then smash well. Last, you want to add chicken stock. Add soy sauce, white pepper, and then salt and mix well. And there you have it.